Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Fiat 500X automatic. First, ensure your seat and mirrors are adjusted for optimal visibility and comfort. Fasten your seatbelt securely. Place your right foot on the brake pedal, pressing it firmly. Now, locate the engine start/stop button, typically on the dashboard, and press it to start the engine. You're almost ready to go. Once the engine is running, keep your right foot on the brake pedal. Move the gear selector from park to drive. The Fiat 500X often has an electronic parking brake. Simply press the button to release it. Now, slowly and smoothly lift your foot off the brake pedal. The car will begin to move forward at a low speed. This is called creeping. To increase your speed, gently press down on the accelerator pedal with your right foot. Remember to always look ahead and anticipate traffic. When you need to slow down or stop, smoothly transfer your right foot from the accelerator to the brake pedal. Apply steady pressure to the brake for a controlled stop. Avoid sudden, harsh braking for a smoother ride. When you've reached your destination and are ready to park, bring the vehicle to a complete stop. With your foot on the brake, move the gear selector to the P position. Then, engage the parking brake to ensure the car is secure. Finally, press the engine start/stop button to turn off the engine. You've successfully driven and parked your Fiat 500X automatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.